Hello guys, so I will be working on Xbox One S board today, which is not turning on. We tested with another power supply and just the basic diagnostic, but still there is no power. Unfortunately, these gadgets, they have got for us to repair very limited resources, no schematic diagrams and no board view. Let's see if we can find out what's wrong with it and if we can fix it. So the first thing, the only option I have got here is to check first of all if we can find any short. So let's start from anywhere. Bigger size capacitors or the coils are usually where you start checking first. If any main line is shorted, which I couldn't find any of these is okay. So do you see the resistance? I don't know if these are the high next ramps. Let's check in diode mode. This is ground side. This is definitely pretty low. Yep. Okay, let's keep that in mind. And is it the same as it is on the RAM? Okay, in that case I would like to check all the RAMs under the microscope and see if you couldn't find anything. So this is where I'm little bit yeah, this is NX DDR3 RAM. Short on RAM, but we have got, see how many. Maybe we can apply a little bit of a volt on this line and see if we can find which one is wait here. What is it? Yep. So you see what I see. At least we find something. Okay, let's check what it is. Okay, just give me a minute. I'm just checking the part on here. There's 51916. Okay, let's check what it is. 51916. Okay, that is 51916 IC. Okay. Oh, okay. Let's try again. Where I was searching? 51916, 51916. Yeah, here I was searching. And this is TPS519 device provides a complete power supply for DDR2 and DDR3 RAM. So, okay, so yep, does it make sense? It does make sense, because this is DDR3 for supply power to the DDR4, DDR3 RAM, and if it's not working and it's shorted, it's not gonna work. So this is the only solution we have now. We will replace this IC. So I thought, why not give it a clean first? Okay, before we remove it, that is pretty nasty, see? Okay, let's get some tweezers. The pads are intact, but where the liquid come here all the way here? Huh? Nah, just waste of time. I think just replace it, huh? Wow, look at here, it's a complete mess. I have to be careful here. Don't want to damage any tracks, but those tools are already, I can see they are blown away. Okay, this should not be a problem. Is it gone or? Nah, there it's just oxidation. This one, we will check it. Nah, it's there as well. That's good. Okay. Should be okay, huh? Okay, just before we tint them, let me check if they are actually connected. Okay, here and here. Yep. Yep, all good. Okay. That look okay to me. So looks like it's perfectly soldered like factory. And the power. Okay, and yep, this looks like a bit promising. Monitor on. Yep, there you go. That's all done.